LGBTQIA2S. That's an acronym that represents a diverse community of people. It's important to know who we are. Why, you might ask yourself? Well, according to the Center for American Progress's study called The State of the LGBTQ Community in 2020, 1 in 3 lesbian, gay, bisexual people faced discrimination in the last year, and 3 in 5 transgender and gender nonconforming people faced discrimination in the last year. With the help of you and your community, we can ensure that people are getting the proper education on how to create safer spaces for everyone, LGBTQ+ or not. For more information, email education@rainbowcntr.org.